Hey all ladies, welcome back to another video. I'm Neha. So today I've come up with a facial routine with Lotus Herbals facial kit. I have been using this kit since 2 years and it's amazing, so I would recommend you all to go for it. If you want to save money and time, if you are in hurry, this kit comes in two sizes. One is big and one is small, and it has three ranges: gold, diamond and platinum. The prices I will share it on my Insta page or in the description below. You can go and check it out. Today I'm using the diamond one, and the steps of the facial are written at the back of the pack. And to see the process, keep watching. Now in the second step, as you can see, I'm going to use the activator which has been already given in the pack. And this activator has got fine diamond particles which instantly makes your skin glowing, and you should massage this activator until it's dry.
Master the art, and the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just small scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running. Come and lay down next to me. Close your eyes and you will be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we lay down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up. Though I know it's tough, we need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down the wall our destiny has called.
Okay, in between the third and the fourth step, you can include steaming, because I personally recommend this, because steam opens up your pores and helps to loosen any buildup of dirt for deeper cleansing. So I have not shown it in the video, but you can include it. because I think it has affected my skin really well. So it's a pro tip from my side. You can work it out as well. After steaming, you can go to the next process, which is the mask.
I can see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you're all that I need. You're all that I need. Close my eyes and dream. I'll kiss it out. They're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. Me under those lights, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind.
I hope you can see the glow already on my face, how clean it looks. This kit is my personal favorite. I have been using this for more than 2 years maybe. So I don't go to the parlor for just facial, because these are the only kit they use most often. So why to waste money if I can do it myself at home? Now I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. It really made my skin brighter and also improved the texture. I've been using this 3 to 4 weeks, and also I use this Body Shop almond milk body yogurt on my face as well, because it's very light, it's in a gel form, and I think using together like the Body Shop and the L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence, it works really well. Now I'm using the metrogyl gel, which has been solely advised by my dermat, because I have acne prone skin and super sensitive. So I also use this before applying makeup on all over my face, and it also makes the skin glowing if you apply it at night before sleeping. I hope you guys liked my video. If you have liked it, do not forget to follow and hit that love button right below there, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is the Diva's Lifestyle. I'll come back soon with another video. Bye.